Ready to breathe life into your characters and unlock the potential of smooth animation in Adobe Animate? Let's start by importing or drawing our character. Here we have a simple character, but the process works for more complex designs as well. The key is to ensure each limb, the head, and the torso is a separate element, ready for individual manipulation. Now, the magic happens with symbol. Select the torso and press F8 to convert it to a symbol. This is crucial for efficient animation. Choose a movie clip symbol type, name it torso, and set its registration point, the pivot. At the center of the torso, this central anchor point will be our focus for controlled rotation. Repeat this process for each of the remaining body parts, the arms, the legs, and the head. Give them each logical names, like left arm, and set their registration points at the joints, specifically the shoulder for the arm, and the hip for the legs. Now, bring all the body parts onto a new layer inside the main timeline and position them to assemble your character. Make sure they're overlapping properly, as this will help them rotate realistically. And there you have it, you successfully rigged your character. From there you can easily select a part like left arm and smoothly rotate it at the pivot point, setting up your character for dynamic movements. You're ready to easily create keyframes, animate, and bring your character to life. Happy animating!